So, you're thinking of applying to the part-time program? We know the admissions process can seem mysterious or even a little stressful at times. Well, there's good news then. We're here to help. So let's pull back the curtain on our process and step inside. Each year we have 2 admission cycles. You can apply to start in fall or apply to start in spring. And each intake has 3 application deadlines. This lets you apply when you feel you're ready. Don't feel rushed in the process. About a third of applicants apply on each deadline. So what exactly is the admissions committee looking for anyway? First of all, relax a bit. We're not looking for absolute perfection here. We know that each applicant is more than any one part of their application. That's why we evaluate your application holistically by looking at the 3 C's: coursework, career, and personal characteristics. Let's start with coursework. Your transcripts are used to evaluate your academic record, including degrees, majors, courses, and GPAs. And we do recognize that back in college, there may be some reasons why that GPA may not reflect your true academic profile. For some of us, college was a while ago now. We get it. A standardized test is also required for academic assessment, unless you meet the requirements to waive it. More on that in just a bit. It's your choice: GMAT, GRE, or EA. That's executive assessment. Or you can submit LSAT, MCAT, or DAT scores. We have no test preference, seriously none, so take whichever one works for you. Wondering about the typical academic profile of our students? Well, the class profile is on our website. It shows GPA averages, test score averages, and much, much more. And yes, the test can be waived, but only in one of the following ways. You've majored in business or engineering with a 3.2 GPA or better from a U.S. 4-year college or university, or you completed your undergraduate degree at NYU and achieved a 3.2 GPA or higher. Just so you know, we are pretty strict on these requirements, so be sure to read full details on the website. Maybe you'll find out you don't need to take a test at all. Next, it's on to the career and personal characteristics section of the application. For this, we start with your resume, which is, well, a resume, the same as you'd use to apply for any job. Normally, it's 1 page, but it could be a bit longer. Don't sweat it. Most of our students have about 1 to 7 years of work experience, but work experience is not required to apply. We're also not seeking just one type of experience. We've had a lot of different backgrounds in the program: journalists, professional ballet dancers, and even accountants. Now that we know what you're doing, we also want to get a sense of how you're doing. So, we ask for 1 professional recommendation, ideally from your current supervisor. If you need to get it from someone else, just tell us why. Your recommender rates you overall and on 10 specific traits. They also complete 3 short answer questions. We keep it brief because we know managers are busy. P.S. Since they're busy, here's a tip. Send them the recommendation early. You, on the other hand, have to write a bit more on your behalf. So we have 2 essays. There's 1 essay on career of up to 350 words. We simply want to know why you wish to pursue an MBA and how it'll enhance your current career path. Think of it as sort of your executive summary. Basically, your goals on about 1 page. That's it. The second essay is all about you. Share 3 images, a person, place, and thing that will help us get to know you. For each image, you'll provide a short caption of about 150 words to explain it. It's a great way to show what makes you, you. And just in case you need to give a brief explanation on things like why your GPA may have been lower, or why you aren't having your manager submit the recommendation, for example, we do have this optional essay. Short answers work fine, and again, it really is optional. It just may help complete the picture. Speaking of completing the picture, we're just about done with the overview. We know we haven't covered it all, so to learn more, sign up on our website to attend a webinar, or have a one-on-one phone call with one of our admissions counselors. We look forward to reading your application.